How come the law of attraction doesn't work?
Right? A lot of people are asking the same question. So,
So, the law of attraction works. It's a law of the universe, just like gravity works. But sometimes people struggle applying law of attraction because they're not using and applying the principle correctly, right?
correct, yes. The law of attraction is a beautiful, amazing tool that can help you attract love, anything you want, basically, right?
Okay, so you're calling it a tool, and that sort of brings to mind, sometimes I do repairs around the house with a hammer. A hammer is a great tool, but I can't use a hammer to put a screw in the wall, right? I'm not using the tool properly. Or if I whack my thumb with the hammer, this tool, if I don't use it properly, is going to hurt me, right? It's not going to work. I'm not going to get the results, and I might actually hurt myself. Same with the tool of the law of attraction, right?
Exactly, exactly. You have to be willing to apply correctly, to learn how to apply correctly, and to be willing also to let it go all the negative experiences that you might have in your past. So that way you will be free and available to find that amazing last love.
Okay, so if a woman in the best years of her life is still holding on to an ex, or maybe her partner passed away, but she's still grieving or holding on, or then that's still going to be in her heart, right? And that's going to cause principle and the law of attraction to not be able to be effective.
Right, right, right.
Okay, so what you're saying is sometimes women have to do a little bit of internal work to clear their heart,
Yes.
to be open to receive and to attract.
Exactly. And I love when you said to be clear because that happens a lot. Because a lot of the time we are looking for love. We are looking for that amazing guy, for that guy that treat us as a queen. But however, we are so in this state of fear that we don't let go of the past. And so we keep in this kind of a monkey state, right? That not allow us to be free and available for that amazing relationship.
Right. We've had conversation in our coaching work with some women that are, I guess, when we sort of reflect, they're operating from a little bit of a scarcity mindset in their heart. What they have done over time is they have started, wouldn't even call them relationships, right? They've started texting conversations with a number of guys that are decent guys. They're not terrible guys, but they're not the one. Sometimes these women are maintaining these conversations with acquaintances, basically. My image is like it's like she's going fishing and she has a number of fish that she's caught and she's holding on to them. She's not letting them go. And since she's not letting them go, again, the law of attraction simply is not going to be active to attract to her, to bring to her the right guy.
Right.
Because she's holding on to a stable of not the right guys. It's like a monkey, swinging through the jungle. It was holding onto a branch before grabbing the next branch. And that's a good idea for a monkey, but it's not the way to do it if you want to attract your amazing last love.
Exactly, exactly. So we invite you to kind of reflect a little bit on that, and we are inviting you to follow us and to where people can find us.
Well, definitely hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be the first to know when a new video along this theme comes out, how to attract your amazing last love. Subscribe to the channel, click like. That helps other women get access to this information. So you're doing, all of humanity a favor. So click the like button also. There's also a link down below where you can click to book a call with us. We would love to talk with you about how we can help you to clear the blockages out so that you can attract your last love. Most of all, we would love to have this to be a conversation. So insert down below comments, questions that you have for us, success stories that you have that you want to share with all of humanity. So subscribe and like and comment. Why don't you?
Absolutely. Yes. Yes.
All right.
I love that.
All right. And attract beautiful, amazing things into your life.
Yes. Absolutely. Why not?
Why not?